Hello guys, so welcome to part 3 of our MCQ series, chapter 2 polynomials, class 10. So in this part we are continuing our series with the 5 MCQs and which are related to your NCRT and your PYQs. So first question is, if alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx is equals to x square plus fx plus 8, then we have to find sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta. As you know, sum of the zeros is minus b by a. What is b and what is a? A x square plus bx plus c. B is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square. Okay, now here we will put the values of b and a. Minus b by a, which is minus 5 by 1. So minus 5 is the alpha plus beta value. Second option is your correct option. Now moving on, second question. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial, same polynomial, x square plus fx plus 8. Now here we are asked to calculate the product of the zeros. You know that product of the zeros are c by a. What is c here? 8, and what is a? 1. So 8 by 1. So product of the zeros is 8. So there is none options matching. So none of these is your answer. Now we are moving on, third question. On dividing this polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus pi, we get remainder. We have to divide this polynomial by x plus pi and we have to answer the remainder. These are your options. Okay. Now this is new for us and we will doing this by dividing. Okay. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. We have to divide this by x plus pi. As you know that this is your dividend, this is your divisor, here you will get your quotient and at last you will get your remainder. Okay, and it is obvious that the degree of remainder is always less than the degree of divisor. Okay, it means, see, x plus pi is your divisor and it has the degree is 1. So it is known, already known, that the remainder which is coming out after solving this has degree is equals to 0. You can also check your answers because these are remainders and you can check that here is no x term. Like all 4 options have degree is equals to 0. Okay, let's start dividing this. Here we are having x cube and x plus pi we have to divide by x plus pi. So how can we make the x cube? By multiplying x with x square. Okay, so x square multiply करते हैं हम, ठीक है, x plus pi with x square. Here we get x cube. हमें क्या देखना है कि हमें ये चीज क्या है, कैंसिल आउट करनी है, एक्स क्यूब से एक्स क्यूब. अब नीचे एक्स क्यूब आ गया, व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू सबट्रैक्ट दिस, एक्स क्यूब कैंसिल हो जाएगा. मींस वी हैव टू डिक्रीज द डिग्री. ओके, वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड एक्स स्क्वायर विद एक्स प्लस पाई. फर्स्ट टर्म विल बी एक्स क्यूब एंड सेकेंड टर्म विल बी प्लस पाई एक्स स्क्वायर. सो प्लस पाई एक्स स्क्वायर. ओके, सो माइनस माइनस, दिस कैंसिल आउट. हियर यू गेट व्हाट, x square. With x square you get 3 minus pi and 3x plus 1 as it is, plus 3x plus 1. Okay, now you have to cancel out this x square term. How can you get? First for x square you have to multiply with x. Okay, when we multiply x with x it will become x square, and we also want 3 minus pi. So we have to multiply it by minus 3 minus pi into x complete. Okay, so here we get 3 minus pi x square as it is same. Okay, and when we multiply x into 3 minus pi with pi, what we get? x and pi अंदर चला जाएगा, 3 pi minus pi square. Okay, so minus minus, this is cancel out, and with x what will be here? 3 minus 3 pi minus pi square plus 1. Okay, now again here the question does not stop because here is x and we have to solve it until the degree becomes 0 because the x is already in the divisor. Okay guys, now we have to cancel this term. How will it cancel? When we multiply x with this. So plus 3 minus 3 pi minus pi square. Okay, we get same 3 minus 3 pi minus pi square, and when we multiply pi with this, what we get? 3 pi minus 3 pi square minus pi cube. Okay, so minus and this whole minus. Okay, so this is cancel out. Now we get 1 minus 3 pi plus 3 pi square plus pi cube. This is your remainder. You can check that this remainder has degree is equals to 0 and which is less than the degree of the divisor. Hence you can say that our question is complete and this is your remainder. Now you can check your options. Pi cube plus 3 pi square, pi cube 3 pi square, okay, minus 3 pi plus 1, minus 3 pi plus 1 and pi cube plus 3 pi square. Okay, your remainder is what? 1 minus 3 pi plus 3 pi square plus pi cube. Okay, only my 3 pi term is in negative term. Okay, where is 3 pi? 3 pi term is negative only and all are positive terms. So you can check pi cube plus 3 pi square and 3 pi negative. I think none of the options are matching because there is some misprint and this pi cube will be plus and your first option will be correct option. Pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1, because in the remainder only 3 pi term is the negative term. Okay, means what the main concept is how to divide this. Okay, you should understand how to divide this. Again, when we are doing fifth question, it is the same. We are dividing this polynomial by 5 plus 2x and we have to calculate the remainder again. Okay, now we will do fourth question. The 0 of the px is equals to 9x plus 4. 9x plus 4 we have to calculate 0. So first we have to equate with the 0. So x is equals to minus 4 by 9. So this is the 0 of this polynomial. As it is linear polynomial, the 0 is only 1. Okay, minus 4 by 9. Now again on dividing x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by 5 plus 2x. Okay, now we have to divide. We have to divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, we have to divide this by 5 plus 2x. Okay, 5 plus 2x. Now we have to divide this polynomial by 5 plus 2x. Okay, so first term is x cube. So we have to make x cube. How can we make it? Multiplying 2x by x square by 2. You will get x cube. So we have to multiply x square by 2. So first question term is x square by 2. When we multiply it by 5, it will come 5x square by 2. Okay, and when we multiply with 2x, it will come x cube obviously. Okay, so this minus and minus, this will cancel out. So with x square, what is your term? 3 minus 5 by 2. It is 1 by 2. 3 minus 5 by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, plus 3x plus 1. Okay, now we have to make x square by 2. How can we make x square by 2 by multiplying 2x? X by 4. When we multiply 2x with x by 4, okay, so x by 4, here you get what? X square by 2. And when you multiply x by 4 with 5, it will come 5 by 4x minus minus. This is cancel out. Okay, 3 minus 5 by 4 is 3 minus 5 by 4 is 7 by 4 x plus 1. Okay, now again we have to continue, because you can here also check the quotient has the degree 1 and remainder is also having degree 1. This is not possible. Remainder always have degree less than the quotient degree. Okay, ये remainder degree always less than quotient degree. Now how can we get 7 by 4x? Okay, when we multiply 2x with 7 by 8. Okay, so 7 by 8 we have to multiply. We get what? 35 by 8, and here we come 7 by 4x. Okay, so minus minus, this cancel out, and the remainder is your 1 minus 35 by 8, and it is your minus 27 by 8. So remainder is your minus 27 by 8. Okay, this is the method of dividing. You can also check. Now your answer is minus 27 by 8. Correct option is third option. Okay, so you have to try yourself with these two questions by dividing. It is very important question. Okay, thank you. Namaskar.